strategy and plan in your portfolio. You've also brought an artist with you here tonight from Haiti, Anie. So Specs, start with Anie for us now.
All right, so speaking about the music here at the Caribbean Music Awards, the third annual, we got Anie Alert. Now, Anie, how you doing today?
I'm good. I'm doing very well. How are you doing today?
I'm doing quite fine, all right? So for those that may not know who Anie Alert is, how about you give them a quick rundown of who you are and what you're about?
I'm a little girl that's from Haiti. In 2016, I decided to move to New York, and that was the best move I ever had done for my career because right now I just had an album out, but I've been studying music since I was 14, like I said, and I just have a new album coming out named Voyage.
All right, so speaking about the new album, you know, what kind of sounds are on it and what kind of features?
Like Caribbean, like the sauce. The group is Zile, the sound of Haiti, the sound, the sauce of Caribbean.
Okay, all right. So Anie Alert, how can they find you if they want to, you know, get more information on you?
Zile, Zile. If you go on Instagram right now and just put Zile, Zile, you'll be able to find me. And also on Apple Music, YouTube, everywhere.
All right, so make sure you guys check it out and make sure you guys run up the numbers, all right? The third annual Caribbean Music Awards, Naomi Cowan, Specs the boss. Naomi.
Listen, I feel so inspired by everything you just shared, knowing that the work that has been put in is showing up. Look at King's Theatre. The place is packed.
Every year, the Caribbean culture comes out and celebrate each other through calypso, dancehall, reggae, soca. And we know music uplifts each other. And more than ever, we need joy in this world. We see what's happening in this world. This brings us all together one night.
Okay, so Anie, I hate to put you on the spot, but you have to take us out of this segment. Take us to the break with one of your new singles from your album.
Acapella.
The Leave Me Alone.
Okay, let's go.
He said, leave me alone, leave me alone. You don't take everything that go, boy, leave me alone.
Leave me alone, leave me alone.
You don't take everything.
This is like a little small mini concert, but you know what? Later on, it's going to be absolutely crazy as we head inside the King's Theatre in just a few. But there's so many people on the red carpet, and we got to get to them. So keep it locked, because you never know who we're going to be speaking to next.
We'll be right back.
Good.